What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beer. Today we have some seat covers from EVBASE. Now, me being a sports dad, or we being a sports family, my kids plays baseball and my daughter plays softball travel. They have been just ripping my Cybertruck apart with just dirty pants after games, practices, or anything like that. So I'm gonna show you right now how dirty my truck gets. And I already have these seat covers installed. So let me show you a quick tour on how they look. When I think we had just a softball tournament this weekend and my son just had a practice, but I'm gonna show you how bad they look, and then I'm gonna clean them up and I'm gonna show you how well they clean up. So the purpose of these seat covers is not only aesthetic, it's not only to change the look of your Cybertruck, but also to protect. If you want to preserve those original seats and protect them, these seat covers are absolutely gonna do that for you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at these seat covers right now. So first and foremost, I'm not gonna do a installation video because there's plenty of them out there. So this one right here is a EVBASE nice NAPPA leather seat cover with the Cybertruck embroidered right here. It's white stitching. I wish it would have been great so it can match the truck, but it does not look bad at all. They look very nice, very soft leather, feels very good. And they do have the airbag cut out here, and then you do have a side airbag tag there. So these are going to work with the side airbags and everything. But as you can see, they tuck very nice in, and they look almost OEM. They look super nice. Besides these creases, you wouldn't be able to tell that there were seat covers, but they absolutely look amazing. And they're a little dirty because, as you can see, we've been to a couple games over the weekend with the kids and they're getting dirty. So along with the seat covers, while we're here up front, they do come with this armrest cover as well, which works pretty good, soft and everything, and also looks good. Protects your armrest from dirt, debris, or anything like that. That is the driver's side right there. Let's go over to the back. Okay, we're here on the rear seats, and as you can see, they absolutely look amazing too. Look at how nicely tucked them in. They look good. You can see how dirty they're getting. These are, I think this is my son's side. This is where he normally sits. These are the back of the seat covers. They absolutely look amazing. One thing I like is they do have a bag here for extra storage. Looks absolutely amazing. Keeps the original bag here, but you can see the middle of the seat absolutely getting hammered by my kids. And this actually folds down, which I absolutely love this too, because when they're out back here, let's see if I can, it's a little hard because of the leather seats, but you do get a nice covered here, and then you do have your cutouts for your drinks. And as you can see, I had to kind of tuck it in like that through right there. It was a little hard to tuck in, but I think I did a pretty good job. You can tuck it in a little more if you want, but I'm good with that. It's a little hard to tuck in, but this is how it looks. This is how they feel. They feel amazing. This just folds back like that. Gotta kind of snap it back in place. But let's go to the other side real quick. And this is my daughter's side. As you can see how hammered this one is. Look at how dirty this is right here. Bam. You can see a little bit of dirt. And she plays softball, but look at the back of this seat. So you could only imagine my original seats were just getting hammered by my kids. But this, I don't really care. They feel good, they look good, and they protect the original seats. In case you want to preserve them for resale value, you're going to be able to do that with these seat covers. But not only do they look good, they also serve a purpose in helping you keep your original seats in pristine condition. Let's go to the driver's side. Look at that. Boom. Beautiful tucking in nice. Take your time when you do the installation. There's plenty of videos out there that walk you through it. But these absolutely look amazing. Cybertruck right there. The airbag cut out right there, side bag. But they look and feel amazing. Now, I know you're going to ask me about the heated seats. You can feel the heated seats through this. Now, these have the cooling ventilation, and you can feel the cooling ventilation through this with no problem. Maybe the lowest setting you might quite not feel, but second and third setting, you feel it very nice and good. So if you used to put it in the low setting, just put it on the second setting and it'll feel just like the first setting. But the air does go through this perforated NAPPA leather there, and it does feel nice in hand. But look at these seat covers, looking very, very nice. So now I'm gonna go ahead and give them a quick wipe down, and I'm gonna show you how good they look cleaned. So there you have it, guys. Those are EVBASE leather seat covers for the Cybertruck. They do have them in multiple designs, so make sure you go down to the description of this video and hit up that link. You're also going to get a 20% off discount code with code word gadget, so make sure you take advantage of that. It doesn't just work for the seat covers, it works for anything on their website. So they do have an abundance of accessories for every Tesla on their website, so make sure you go and show some support to me and EVBASE by hitting that link in the description of this video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions regarding these seat covers, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.